Some of those laminate flow things. God, the fuel smells so bad in here. So the intake side is done. Everything came off all right. I did find that there was a shitload of RTV in there. I don't think looks to be like a little bit of a gasket on the intake manifold, but there is a shitload of RTV. So that's gonna be fun cleaning up. Also, it took a little bit to get the intake manifold off because every bolt was different. Now, To be fair, it was a mixture of 12s and 13s, but every single head was different. Every single, like, I couldn't get a wrench in there in certain cases. I couldn't, you know, blah, 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 blah. So that's why it took a little bit. But, yeah, overall, this is looking pretty good. I was going to take the alternator bracket off, but it looks like that's being blocked by the water pump. So I will double check that. Well, actually, not double check it. I'm going to take it off tomorrow. So I'll take that off tomorrow, and yeah, tomorrow the head's coming off. So hopefully I should have everything done. I did drain the oil. Oil looks decent. It reeks of fuel, but aside from that, I didn't see any bearing or anything like that. So I think we're going to be in good shape. I think hopefully cylinder walls look good. If not, we're going to be, well, plan is to bore out a little bit anyway, so I think hopefully we should be in good shape.